and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you feel right at home. Today's video is going to be about 4 outfits, 4 business outfits or professional outfits that you can wear for any professional occasion, whether it be work or anywhere else. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and comment below which one of these outfits is your favorite outfits. Most of them come from Fashionable. I'm going to link them below in the description. And I'm also going to pop it up on the screen somewhere around here so you can see what product it is. Without further ado, let's go. And that is all. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, live, love, laugh, and positive vibes. Until next time, have a great day, have a great week, have a great month.